Oversized Screened Lanai allows you to create an amazing outdoor space. Oversized Screened Lanai has room for lounging, dining and grilling, ready for your summer cookouts. This solar home has stunning upgrades at every turn through the house and a conservation lot with no backyard neighbors. You will not want to miss this house. 4 bedrooms plus home office, open living areas, fully fenced yard and 3-car garage. Take in the bright space with seamless kitchen, dining and great room, making this a great home for entertaining. Dream kitchen with tons of space. Granite counters, richwood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, pantry and long breakfast bar with room for bar stools. Dining and living rooms also have neutral tile floors and a view to the lanai. Master suite with spacious room, huge walk-in closet, dual sinks and shower. The front of the house has a sitting area that can be another living space, an office or both as it is set up now. Secondary bedrooms are also generously sized. 3-car garage gives you more space for storage and parking. Great outdoor space with this extended screened lanai, fully fenced yard and no backyard neighbors. Enjoy this newer home for years to come and have super low energy bills with solar panels already in place.